Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. We we are discussing Gauss's law. The chapter is electric charges and fields. Actually, today's topic is not included in your NCERT text, so I have written as NEET G Spatial. It is important, so we have to study. What is Gauss's law? It is about flux linked with a closed surface. Okay, flux linked with a closed surface. Okay, the mathematical expression is phi equals to surface integration of electric field, that is vector E dot vector ds, equals to sigma q upon epsilon naught. Okay, Gauss's law. Okay, what is sigma q? It is charge, net charge enclosed by the closed surface. Net charge means it is algebraic sum of positive and negative charges. Okay, now this is, see, our question is, we are actually studying applications of Gauss's law. Okay, we studied first electric field produced by a wire of infinite length with uniform charge distribution. Gauss's law is useful to find electric field due to continuous charge distribution. The first application was a wire of infinite length, okay, with uniform charge distribution. Then a plane of infinite area and electric field produced due to it. The plane was uniformly charged. And then shell, okay, hollow sphere, that we discussed yesterday. Today we will discuss electric field produced by sphere of uniform charge, means uniform charge distribution. We have to consider two cases, one outside and other inside. Here we are discussing outside. Okay, so first of all, this is the sphere. Okay, it is a three-dimensional figure. I have tried to draw it. Okay, so I have given this type of shading and shape so you can understand that it is a sphere full of charges, but uniform distribution we are considering. Okay, this is its center. The total charge in the sphere is Q, capital Q. We have to consider a point outside. I have considered here point P. Its position vector with respect to center of the sphere is vector R. A small surface element vector ds. We know that electric field will be in this direction because we have considered positive charge. Generally we consider positive charge distribution. Okay, so if I put here unit positive charge, this positive charge will offer repulsive force. So electric field is in same direction. This is the figure. Okay, this is the sphere full of charge. Okay, uniform charge distribution. Okay, total charge is capital Q, its radius is capital R, its center is O, point outside is P, position vector of point P with respect to O is vector small r, surface element has area, vector ds, electric field is vector E. This is the figure. Okay, now I have to consider a Gaussian surface passing through P. Okay, so it is like this. Okay, this is the sphere and this is the Gaussian surface, S2. Okay, now here, see, volume charge density rho equals to charge upon volume. Charge is capital Q. Volume of the sphere is 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube. So Q will be equal to 4 upon 3 capital R cube into rho. Okay, this is the total charge in form of volume charge density. Now again, phi equals to surface integration vector E dot vector ds equals to sigma q upon epsilon naught. I can write here, see, the direction of E and ds is same. So the angle will be 0. So E ds cos 0. Total charge, that is sigma q enclosed, is capital Q upon epsilon naught. We know that at equal distance, electric field will have same magnitude from symmetric distribution. Okay, so E is taken common, and the sum of all small areas, okay, area of small surface elements, sum of is 4 pi small r square for this Gaussian surface that is spherical. Okay, equals to q upon epsilon naught. So E will be equal to q upon 4 pi r square epsilon naught into r cap for r greater than capital R. Okay, it is just like kq by r square, we can say. And if I want to draw show direction, it is r cap. Okay, r cap is unit vector in this direction. So that means for outside point, this sphere behaves as point-like charge at center. Okay, for outside points, sphere behaves as point-like charge. Okay, situated at the center. If I want to write this equation in terms of rho, okay, volume charge density, then I have to just replace this q as 4 upon 3 pi capital R cube rho. So what will happen? 4 pi will be cancelled. So rho upon 3 epsilon naught into capital R cube upon small r square. In short, E is proportional to 1 upon r square for outside point. Okay. Now in next topic we will discuss inside point. Okay.